In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Booking Core. That is a ultimate booking system. Ultimate booking system. Let's look at some of the features. Okay. It's a booking system based on Laravel, designed for a travel website, marketplace, travel agency, tour operator, Airbnb, villa rental, resort rental, make travel website. So that is some of the benefits. So now let's look at the demo site. This is a demo site. As you can look at it, login, sign up, all these pages. So let me go back. Now, after purchasing your script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next, I will go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. For your script customization or your script installation, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script or install your script. I have already uploaded my script. Here is it. The next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Extracted my file, so let me copy my subdomain name. Copy, open a new tab, paste it there, then enter. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next I click on check permissions. All are set, that's why it is marked. For your script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script. Also, for your script installation, also use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install your script. So let me go back to my file manager to change the permissions. Public uploads. So I will go to public. So uploads, let me change the permission to 775. Save. Let me go back to my site. The next one is storage, framework and logs. Up one level. So next I go to my frame storage. Framework, I'll change it to 775 permission. Logs to 775. Let me go back to there. Okay, the next one is Bootstrap application. I click on up one level. So the next one is Bootstrap. Then cache. For your script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script. So I give you 775 for permission. Save. Also for your script installation, also use the engagement link in the description. If you want to develop your app, that's your web application, use the engagement link also for your web application development. So let me go back to my site. Nice, I'm going to refresh it. As you can see, you can now click on configure environment. All are set. Click on set up database. This time I will go back to my cPanel to set up my database. So let me go back to my cPanel. This time Then databases, MySQL databases. So next I click on MySQL databases. So let me name my database as Booking Core. Yes, Booking Core DB. Then next I click on create database. I've successfully created my database. So next I'm going to click on go back. After creating my database, what next is for me to create my user. So let me scroll down to create my user. Let me name it as this. I should name it as this. So next I click on create database. Next I click on go back. I've successfully created my user. I first create my database. Next I create my user. After creating my user, next I'm going to add the user to my database. So let me scroll down to add the user to the database. Okay, here is it. Oh, it has already selected it for me automatically. So let me just click on add. For your script installation or your script customization, use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you customize your scripts. Also for your web application, use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you develop your web applications. So I give up privileges. I scroll down to make changes. I've successfully, that's why it is written success. I've successfully given all privileges to the user. So let me copy my username. That's my database username. Control copy. Go back to my site. Database username. So yes, let me edit my database username. Database name. Here is it. Yes, this is correct. So let me say admin at example.com. Then next I click on install. So installation finished. So next I click here to exit. Yes, I have successfully installed my script on my hosting site. For your script customer, if you want to customize your script, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script. Also, if you want to install it, and if you want to build your application, your web application from scratch, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your application. Thank you.